kids. And then he went on to come back and said, that's the only cookies you buy now. The kids just love those cookies.
Mom, can I take
I said, I gotta bring those cookies. So when I come down and take you guys out for lunch 2 weeks from now, bring you down a pack of those cookies.
I don't know. You know, I actually missed you getting the diploma. It went off. It went off. Do you believe that?
It's a lot of stuff.
That's his stuff.
I didn't this morning was actually more.
Callum, I also missed you getting your award, but you can understand when they mentioned the grades, I couldn't figure out how you would actually get it.
Neither could I. I was like, Gabe and I were like, no, I'm not getting these. No, not a chance. But yeah, they made a mistake or something.